In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use captions during your presentation in Google Slides. This is a great feature for making your presentations more accessible and engaging, particularly for those who might be hard of hearing or are watching in a noisy environment. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your presentation in Google Slides. You can do this through your preferred web browser. Once your presentation is open and ready to go, you're going to notice a button in the top right corner of your screen labeled Present. This is the button you'll click to start your slideshow. Once you click Present, your slides will enter presentation mode, which essentially gives you a full screen view, optimizing the slides for viewing by your audience. Now that you're in presentation mode, I want you to take a look towards the toolbar that's located at the bottom of your screen. In this bar, you should see a series of icons providing you with additional options that can refine your presentation experience. One of these icons will be labeled CC, which stands for Captions. This is your key to turning on real-time captions. Go ahead and click this CC icon. It will illuminate, indicating that captions are now active. What happens now is truly impressive. As you speak into your microphone, Google Slides will work its magic by transcribing your words in real time. You'll start to see captions appear at the bottom of your screen. This tool is not only beneficial for making your presentation accessible, but it also assists in keeping your audience engaged by providing them with another way to follow along with your content. It's a perfect solution for situations where sound might be compromised, or for those who simply prefer to read along as you speak. When you're ready to turn off the captions, all you need to do is click on the CC icon once again. Clicking it a second time will deactivate this feature, and the captions will disappear from the bottom of your screen. It's as straightforward as that. This simple but effective feature in Google Slides can make a significant difference in how your presentation is received by your audience. It's those little touches that often leave the biggest impact. That's it, really. A few clicks to not only present, but enhance your presentation. With Google Slides' caption feature, you have the power to make your presentation clearer and more inclusive for all viewers. With the click of a button, your eloquent speaking is paired with clear and precise captions, expanding the reach and comprehension of your message. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you deliver your next presentation with confidence and clarity.